How to recover deleted ChatGPT chat. If you want to recover deleted ChatGPT chat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your ChatGPT. Make sure to go with the browser. So first you need to open up your Chrome. On your Chrome, search for ChatGPT. Once you're on your ChatGPT, make sure that you're on your desktop side, or you can also go with your PC as well. You can go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then scroll down, go with desktop side. Now, once you're here, you need to go and log into your account. Tap on login, which will be on the bottom. And once you've logged in, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom again. And from the profile, you can zoom in and tap on settings. After you click on settings, this kind of interface appears. Now here you need to go with data controls. From the data controls, here on the right side, you will have all of these options. You need to turn on the chat history option. Once you've done that, go with a new tab, and on your new tab, you need to search for OpenAI status and tap on status.openai.com. Click on the first link that pops up. After you open the link, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you will find all of the history and incidents. If you scroll down, you'll find more incidents as well. You can go with view history. You can go with the three dots, which will be in the top, and then you can also request for a desktop site. After that, you need to click on the three dots, which will be in the top right, and here you need to go with settings. And from the settings, you will get this kind of interface. Go with privacy and security section, and then you will have an option of delete browsing data. Tap on it. Make sure there's no tick mark on cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click on delete and simply open a new tab, open ChatGPT, try logging in, and you're good to go. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.